Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS TUF Gaming Monitor. In this video I'll show you control panel overview. In the beginning, take a look behind the right side of the monitor. Right here we've got 5 buttons at the control panel. Press the button on the bottom to turn monitor on or off. Press arrow 1 and arrow 2 menu button to enter first or second menu. Next, press X button to exit menu, and in the end we've got the navigation knob. Press the navigation knob to enter settings of your monitor and to navigate through it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.